Hello, I'm Alan Adcock. I'm CEO of ASC Group. We're an Atlanta-based IT consulting firm, and this show is Cyber Sentinel, where we talk about cyber issues and IT issues affecting your small to medium-sized business. So we see this quite a bit, where if you're a one-man IT department, folks are often reluctant to bring in an outside consulting company like us. So it is true that we do provide full-service IT outsourcing for many of our clients. Most of our longest serving clients that have been with us for decades, we work very closely with their IT departments and their IT directors. So we really extend what their capability is. Earlier in my career, before founding ASC Group, I served as an internal IT director. So I know what that life is like. Back then it was a complicated job, took a lot of time, a lot of energy, and today with the advanced cyber threats that are out there, all the new cloud technologies, and just increased complexity overall, it's really difficult for a one or two man IT shop to be up to speed on all those technologies. So we come in beside those IT departments and really augment what they do, depending upon what that engagement looks like. The engagements differ. Some clients we come in and offload things like workstation support, help desk, that type of support. Other organizations we come in and just do cybersecurity solutions. Sometimes we come in and do cybersecurity solutions, networking, server management. So it really depends upon what the skill set of the internal IT department is, how fast the company is growing, and where they want to augment. But it works really well, and we've got a ton of co-managed IT tools we bring to the table. Yeah, so as a new IT director, you've just jumped into a whole boatload of projects, trying to get your feet under you, figure out the lay of the land of how your organization is set up and how to best implement technology solutions for that organization. Typically what we like to see is that internal IT director really start off focusing on areas that are specific to that company or organization. So if you're an IT director at a church, spend your early time working on the church management system. Make sure that which is key to that organization is up to date, is being implemented, is used properly. If you're a manufacturing, same thing with your manufacturing systems. Whatever industry you're in, if you're at healthcare, make sure that those EMR systems are fully being utilized to their best feature set. And then that leaves stuff like infrastructure, workstations, help desk, cybersecurity. Those are good things to look at outsourcing to free up time and resources to focus on items of IT that are integral to your organization and are specific to your organization or industry, versus things that are universal to a lot of different industries, like the workstation support, server support, infrastructure, cybersecurity solutions. Once you've been an IT director for a company for a number of years, you get really, really good at managing that network that you've been responsible for. So you are the expert on how that thing is set up. Earlier in my career, I did that as well. We knew every nook and cranny of that network, how everything was built. But what we didn't know was oftentimes new technologies that are out in the marketplace, new products. These are areas where we kind of fell behind. Working with an MSP, managed service provider, you can get some benefits of their experience working in similar or different industries. Oftentimes we go into different industries, look at best practices in that industry, how those networks are set up, and pull pieces of that and put them into our toolbox that we use in other industries so we can kind of cross-pollinate those best practices. The other thing that we often do is we'll come in and look at common solutions for an industry and see what other industries are doing better. There may be sales strategies, sales tools that are used in one industry. We can come in and implement phone system solutions, automation, sales marketing automation tools from different industries into yours. And then there's a host of tools available in the marketplace now that are focused on managed service providers. So we have access to a large tool suite that we bring to our clients that are either too complicated, too expensive, or too time-consuming to implement for an independent IT department to do. But we can bring those in because we've already got the infrastructure created and bring a cost-effective, rapid implementation to an organization. That's all the questions we have for this episode of Cyber Sentinel. If you've got a question for a future episode, please find us online at #CyberSentinel.